Keyword research is a process, and we're going to follow this process step by step. Before we dive into the juicy part of the course, I want to give you an idea of what this process looks like, and I break it down into 5 steps. So we're going to start with generating a list of keywords, and we're going to start by generating a long list that we can narrow down at each step of the process. So by the end, we will have our final set of keywords that we're going to target. The second step is we're going to determine what the search volume is for those keywords and then narrow down from there. With those keywords that we've narrowed down, we're then going to move on to checking the ranking data in the competition for those keywords so that we can then further narrow down our list by determining which ones we will be most likely to rank for. Next, we are going to organize our final list of keywords so that we can determine how we're going to move forward and begin ranking for those keywords. And finally, we will start putting our keyword research into action. And this is really where your SEO campaign is going to begin, because you have completed the keyword research process and you now know which keywords are going to be the most profitable for you and which ones you are going to be most likely to rank for.